Good morning everyone. Myself Himabindu Sri, Chemistry faculty in Ramchandra College of Engineering, Eluru. In this video, we will discuss about the polymer chemistry, which is the first unit in engineering chemistry syllabus according to the R19 regulation for first BTech students. So let us go to the polymer chemistry. In polymer chemistry, we will discuss about the introduction of the polymers, types of polymers, classification of polymers, characteristics of polymers, applications, and also some reference books also I have given in this video. First, we will discuss about the introduction of the polymers. Polymers are very large molecules made when hundreds of monomers join together to form long chain. So polymer is a larger molecule. That molecule is formed by the combination of number of monomer units. The word polymer becomes from Greek language, which poly means many and mer means units or parts. All plastics are polymers, but not all polymers are plastics. Coming to the types of polymers, there are natural polymers, homopolymer, copolymer, thermoplastics, thermosets, and long chain polymers. We will discuss one by one, starting from the natural polymers. So natural polymers means the polymers which are obtained from the natural resources in nature are called as the natural polymers. So we will see the definition. Natural polymer is a polymer that results from only raw materials that are found in nature. And there are some examples for the natural polymers. Those are cotton, DNA, wool, wood, etc. are the examples of naturally occurring polymers. Coming to the second type of polymer, that is homopolymer. Homopolymers are synthesized from a single type of monomers. So homopolymers are consists of a chains with identical bonding linkages to each monomer unit. This usually implies that the polymer is made from all identical monomer molecules. And coming to the next type of polymer, that is copolymer. Copolymer means when two or more different monomers together and polymerize, there results a polymer. That polymer is called as a copolymer. The copolymer is formed by the combination of two or more different monomer molecules. So this process is called as a copolymerization. There are some types in copolymers. Those are statistical copolymer, alternating copolymer, block copolymer, graft copolymer. And coming to the next type of polymer, that is thermoplastic polymer, a type of plastic that can be softened by heat and hardened by cooling and then again softened by heat. Those polymer is called as a thermoplastic polymer. These thermoplastic polymers are not cross-linked polymers, and examples of the thermoplastic polymers are polyethylene, nylon, polyvinyl chloride, etc. And coming to the next type, that is thermoset polymers. Thermoset polymers having the property of becoming permanently hard and rigid when heated. So thermoset polymers are hardened and rigid at room temperature and do not soften on heating. Examples of the thermosets are resins, means phenolic resins, unsaturated polyester resins, etc. And last type of polymer is long chain polymers. It is a very long strand of repeating molecules linked together by a primary bond. So this is called as long chain polymers. So students, in this part we will discuss about the introduction to the polymers and types of the polymers. In the second part we will discuss about the classification of the polymers. Thanks for watching.